Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
In this video, I'm going to show you how this system helps you collect almost any products, enrich them with AI, publish them into a polished product portfolio website, create marketing materials, and install the finished site on your own WordPress hosting. Think of it as a complete workflow, not just another AI builder. Let's start with Quick Start. This checklist gives new users a clear setup path inside the dashboard. Secure the admin account, connect an AI key, add the first product, enrich it with AI, publish it, and then customize the portfolio website before using it for real traffic, without guessing what comes next. The performance screen shows what is happening after your pages go live. You can track product views, CTA clicks, click rate, blog views, blog-to-product clicks, and recent activity. It also highlights what needs attention, like products getting views but not enough marketplace clicks, so you know where to improve next. Those prompts make the dashboard feel actionable, not just analytical. Now we are in the product library. This is where every imported product, book, bundle, template, service, or affiliate offer lives. You can filter by status, source, category, platform, or intelligence level, and each row shows the product image, price, categories, readiness, publish status, views, clicks, and next action. It is both your catalog and your operating queue. When you add a product, there are three paths. You can import an existing marketplace product, upload a book or product file, or paste product and affiliate information manually. The first thing you need to do is click, drag and drop this button to your browser's bookmark bar. Here, I am opening real source pages from places like Amazon, Etsy, and a digital store website. The Smart Import button is designed for this moment. Instead of copying every detail by hand, you capture the product page, click to the bookmark button to send that source information back into Digital Profit Stack AI. This is especially helpful for marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or online stores. Back inside the dashboard, the Smart Import queue now has multiple products waiting. Each queued item includes a thumbnail, title, source, price, capture status, source link, and import controls. You can import them one at a time, skip anything that does not fit, or use import all queued products to bring everything in together. The queue is your safety step before anything becomes part of the library. After import, the queue confirms the products were added successfully. The imported products are saved as draft or ready items, so you can review them, enrich them, and decide what should be published to the public website. Now I am opening the Product Intelligence Hub. This is the workspace for turning a raw imported product into something more useful, organized, and publish-ready. If enrichment has not run yet, you can start it here right away. On the General tab, you review the core product settings: title, source platform, source link, status, categories, price, featured image, and next best actions. This is where you make sure the imported product is accurate before using AI-generated copy or publishing it publicly. The Listing tab organizes the selling and search content. You get a cleaner listing title, SEO title, meta description, primary keywords, secondary keywords, category suggestions, and buyer-facing copy. The system also adds buyer search intent, benefits, use cases, included items, and FAQ-style answers. Most fields have copy controls, so you can use the content elsewhere, but everything is still editable before publishing. This gives you structured material to review instead of starting from a blank page. The Portfolio tab checks whether this product is ready for the public author website. You can see the website preview, title, excerpt, summary, CTA text, tags, and quick answers. The panel also shows publish readiness, source status, and the current author website connection. When everything looks right, publishing is one click, and the system prepares the product page for visitors without manually rebuilding a page layout or leaving the same product workspace. Now we are looking at the public product page. The product image, title, source badge, price, description, and call to action are already laid out. Visitors can read the curated summary and click through to the original product or affiliate destination. Here I am checking the outbound source link. This product was added through Amazon, and the source link will be automatically added to this portfolio bridge page. The same product also appears inside the broader portfolio website. The homepage and archive pages organize your products into cards, categories, badges, descriptions, prices, and CTA buttons. You can browse by category, open different products, and see how each resource fits into the site. So your imported products are not just stored in the admin area. They become a browsable public product library. As you move through different products, each page uses the same structured layout but adapts to the product content. Books, journals, printables, templates, software tools, and affiliate offers can all become individual resource pages with source details and click-through buttons. This helps the system handle different product types without rebuilding the website. Now I am switching design presets. Digital Profit Stack AI includes different front-end styles, so the public website can feel more like a book resource hub, a digital product catalog, or a business-focused service library, and you can preview the change immediately on real public pages. Here is one of the warmer book-style layouts. The homepage, category blocks, product grids, and product pages all update together. The hero, navigation, product cards, category sections, and source panel shift into a softer editorial look. This is useful if your niche is books, journals, planners, printables, reader resources, or anything that should feel more collection-based and easy to browse. And here is a sharper digital product and service style. The hero, category chips, product listings, and CTA buttons feel more modern and business-focused. This version works better for templates, toolkits, expert services, marketing kits, or software-style offers. The point is that you can start with the same product data, but present it in a style that fits your audience and your promotion angle. Back in the Product Intelligence Hub, the Social tab turns the product into channel-ready posts. You can see post ideas for Instagram and Pinterest, along with captions, hashtags, image prompts, and status controls. You can copy the text, copy prompt to generate image with your favorite tool, or generate images directly with the built-in image generator. When I click Generate, the generator opens with the saved prompt and image settings. The AI creates a visual preview for that social post, using the selected model, ratio, size, and format, and once generated, the image is saved back into the product's asset library. After the image is saved, it appears beside the post. Now the social content has both copy and a matching visual. You can keep creating more focused content, generate more channel-specific posts, and build out a small promotional set around the product without leaving this workspace. For affiliates, that means the product becomes easier to promote quickly, with fewer separate writing and design steps. Next, the workflow moves into Pinterest-style content. The system creates a different post format and a different visual direction because a Pinterest pin needs to feel different from an Instagram caption. You can review the pin text, copy it, generate the image, and save the result. The prompt, dimensions, and output type can change for the channel. This is one of the main benefits of the system. Each product can produce multiple promotional angles instead of one generic piece of copy, and those angles stay connected to the original product. The Promotion tab expands beyond social posts. You can create email materials, add materials, visual creative briefs, and product-focused promotional angles. Each item gives you copy fields, target buyer context, platform recommendations, and image prompts, so the product can be promoted through more than one channel. This is useful when you need launch emails, ads, campaign hooks, and creative direction quickly. There are also bonus ideas for campaigns. These help you think about lead magnets, supporting assets, feature cards, swipe angles, and extra hooks that make a product easier to recommend. The goal is practical promotion, not just more text sitting in a dashboard, and not random content you cannot use. The Image tab collects the product's visual assets in one place. You can manage the featured product image, upload or regenerate assets, filter by social, ads, Pinterest, favorites, and download or remove generated images. This keeps product visuals connected to the product record. The Theme Settings area controls the public portfolio website. You can adjust URL rules, default CTA text, portfolio intro copy, front-end snapshot settings, design presets, color systems, typography, and other site-wide presentation options. This is where the product library becomes a branded site. The Header and Footer Builder lets you control navigation and common site sections without editing theme code. You can set the logo, top bar text, menu links, button text, contact information, social links, payment notes, original source labels, and footer resource links. You can also choose footer background imagery and organize link groups. These small details help the public site feel finished instead of looking like a raw product database, especially when visitors are browsing from one product to the next. The Homepage Builder gives you a live preview of the homepage. On the left, you can manage sections like the Hero, Social Proof, Latest Products, Category Showcase, About section, Browse Products, How it works, Testimonials, and Blog. On the right, you can edit the selected section's content, style, layout, and advanced settings. You can change the headline, highlight text, buttons, media, product sections, and section order while seeing the result on the page. You can also preview desktop, tablet, and mobile layouts, apply preset copy, undo or redo changes, then save when the page feels right for launch. In AI settings, you can connect providers and choose default models for product intelligence, materials, and image generation. The usage screen tracks estimated cost, tokens, image requests, AI runs, provider usage, operation usage, top models, and recent runs, so you can understand what the AI features are costing. The tools area includes calculators for royalties, sale goals, affiliate commissions, and publishing profit planning. There are also KDP and bookseller helpers for pen names, print cost, page count, trim size, and format planning. These tools are there to support the business side of publishing and promoting products, not just the website building side, so planning and promotion stay in one workspace. The digital store tools help plan campaigns, like a holiday sale with launch dates, discount, revenue goal, average order value, daily target, promotion weekends, order goal, and checklist. Now let's look at installing the ready-made site on a new WordPress host. This part is useful for customers who want to run the system on their own domain, and useful for affiliates to show how simple the delivery process can be. I start from a fresh WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, search for WPvivid, and install the WPvivid Backup plugin, which handles the site restore from the provided backup package inside WordPress. After WPvivid is active, I go into the Backup and Restore area and upload the provided site package. This backup contains the starter site structure, plugin setup, theme settings, products, assets, and database content needed for the demo system to run. Once the package is uploaded, I start the restore. WPvivid replaces the fresh WordPress site with the prepared Digital Profit Stack AI site. You can see the progress log as files, database tables, options, products, assets, and settings are restored. During this step, the site is rebuilding itself from the package, so the user simply waits for the restore to complete before logging back in and checking the dashboard. When the restore finishes, the site asks me to log in again. After logging back in, the restored WordPress admin now has the Digital Profit Stack AI dashboard, navigation, product workflow, settings, tools, theme builder, product library, and public website available on the new domain, just like the demo site. Here you can see the restored dashboard and quick start area, confirming the system is now running on the installed site and ready for setup. And this is the finished public website, a branded product portfolio with homepage sections, product navigation, CTA buttons, and a ready workflow behind it. That is Digital Profit Stack AI from import to publish to installation. Thanks for watching and see you inside.